And here we are, 7.8 miles away. Quarter mile from the north point of Cat Island. Heading back in. Just about 11 o'clock. And this is almost, not quite, but pretty close to flat out here. Okay, this is flat. It's not glass, but it's definitely flat. Not much wind at all. In fact, a couple mosquitoes were following me for a while. I seem to have gotten rid of them. I'm now, between 13 and 14 miles into this trip. The west point of Cat Island had just a ton of ravenous mosquitoes. That would be an interesting place to camp. I imagine I'd need bug repellent. The north point wasn't at all like that. There were basically none. Anyway, I guess I'm heading back in. Amazingly, there's cell service out here, all the way to the island. So I sent a message or two while I was out there. Horn Island had cell service. Cat Island has cell service. Apparently Ship Island is supposed to. It's on the map. There's the last one. I'll find out when I get there. If they all have cell service, I'm set. VHF radio for emergencies, cell for updates. Anyway, I'm going basically 5 miles an hour without putting that much effort into it. Although talking at the same time does make you a little winded. You can see all the coast from here. And I can see the water tower to the left of where I'm going, and the red roof buildings, which are at the marina, which is right on the other side. Anyway, I've seen a few dolphins out here today, lots of birds. On both points of the island, lots of horseshoe crab shells. I heard lots of stuff over the radio, including Coast Guard New Orleans, sending out a pan for people to look for a white sailboat with a guy that's out there that has no cell, has no radio,
Jackson, microship's clear,
and has no gas.
Giving a swift kick there and getting us through. Microship, have a good one, bud. When y'all coming back? We'll be back about noon Sunday. Noon Sunday, all right, have a good one. You too, thanks.
It's fun to listen in on Channel 16. It's the law, but it's also fun. That was a ship going through one of the movable bridges. Anyway, well, 7.5 miles to shore. Until later, this is Nathaniel. Bye. So, this is the halfway point. 4 miles from shore, 4 miles from the island. There's just about no wind at all out here. It's quiet. Very quiet. Anyway, 17 miles in, 4 miles to go.